Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice.
The can is red. The can is red. The fan is big. The fan is big. The man is happy. The man is happy. The van is fast. The van is fast.
Your turn.